Hi friends, welcome to the channel Trading Strategies. Today we will discuss how to trade the next week. So that is from 8th June to 12th June. How we have to trade Nifty, Bank Nifty and few stocks also we will discuss today. This is a disclaimer, please go through the disclaimer. And one quote, this is a famous quote by Warren Buffett. So we need not be smarter than the rest, but we should be disciplined than the rest. There is a quote. Now straight away we'll go to the technical charts. Friends, this is a Nifty weekly chart. In the last week we expected the market may test around 10,150 and 10,200 kind of zones. This week it tested, right? So on a weekly basis it tested and closed almost high of the week. If you see the weekly candle, so this bullishness and also the entire fall from 12,200 to 7,500, the retracement level, it closed above 50% of the retracement. The high probability of testing 61.8% retracement in the next week, that is 10,430 kind of levels. In between there is a small hurdle at 10,270. That is the extension of this rally from 7,500 to the 50% retracement and fall and extension. This extension of the rally may be some pause here and then it move, but in coming week, until unless the price close below 9,850, the momentum should be upside only with a target of nearly 10,450 kind of levels. So the levels to be noted is 10,276 and 10,437. That is, you can as a round figure 10,450 and 10,280. These are the levels to be noted for the coming week. So is there any dip on a closing basis? If that Nifty doesn't close below 9,850, then the positional traders can take a long position for a target of 10,450. So that is the idea for the next week. Intraday is a different scenario, that every day we have to see the levels and we can play according to that. But positional, this is the level to be noted down. And one more important thing I want to tell you is, see, this is the rally, this is the correction, again the rally. See, I'll show you how the technicalities will work this kind of scenario. Friends, I'll tell you one small calculation how to calculate the projected value. It's only a mathematical calculation. So normally in technical analysis, what we'll see is, this is the rally here and correction and again rally. This rally, if crossed this level, what is the projected from here to here? That is the, in technical analysis, what we learned is the difference between this to this, that is 1070 points, the difference. Here if you see the chart, if you see from here to here and then it fall here. So from here to here, the low of this is 8,806, the high is 9,878, this low is 8,806. So the difference is around 1,070 points. The breakout happened here. So 9,878 is the breakout level and momentum is upside. The projection is the difference between this, that is 1070 points from here. So 9870, so 9878 plus 1070 points, that is so if the momentum continues, this may arrest here. 10,948 is the ultimate target if the momentum continues upside. Subject to, if the price closed below 9878, then there could be a downside. But as for today's candle and also the this week's candle, not today, this week candle, the momentum seems to be upside only. So there is a projected target of 10,948 as per the technical analysis. This is not for 1 day or 2 days, may not be 1 week, it may be more than 1 week also, but we can expect the Nifty may test 10,950 kind of levels in coming few days, maybe this month or may not be, I don't know exactly which date it will get, but the projected calculation is like that. So this one. So in between there could be some hurdles, so that hurdles has to overcome and then test the levels, right? So and for that a 10,950 level, here if you see the gap, so this is a 10,700 and 10,827. So this gap may be filled in coming days. So there is a significant coincidence of calculations. If you see the different calculations and the projected price and everything, this zone may be tested in coming days. So long-term traders who have a capacity to hold, or if you want to take a long position and keep some hedging, so then they can keep up to the level of 10,900 kind of levels. So with the proper hedging you can trade like that. This is the for Nifty coming week. This is the Bank Nifty spot. See, this is the weekly chart. If you see the entire fall from 31,600 to 16,100, the retracement is it tested 38.2%, but it is not sustained there and fall, and again retesting that level. So 22,000 is the key level to watch out. If the price closed on a daily closing basis above 22,000, then there could be a upside movement till 50% of retracement, that is 23,882. That is the levels to be watched for the coming week. On the downside, this week low, that is 19,700, will give you a decent support in coming week. And if you see the projection of this this rally, again fall and rally. So if you see the projection of this price movement, from here it went all the way here and fall, right? So it closed above 61.8% of the retracement level, and there is a probability of testing this level. So 23,000 and 23,800, these levels are so important in coming days. So every level has it's important, so you can note down the levels and trade accordingly. The momentum may be upside only until unless it closed below 19,700. And if you see the same calculation as per we calculated in Nifty, we'll see that also in the Bank Nifty. So levels to be noted. So only important thing is this 22,000. If closed above 22,000, then we can expect the next level is 23,800, 25,190 and 25,700, up to 61.8% of this fall. So if you see the rally and drop and again rally. If this rally continues, and what could be the next level the rally may end as per the theory. So this is a projected, see the rally started from here 16,116, ended at 21,967, and from there it fall into 17,105. These are the figures we know. So that as per that figures, this is the calculation. So it started, went up to 21,960, and from there it fall to 17,105, and then the movement is going on. So once this 21,960, that is 22,000, and closed above, there is a projected target of 26,800. So it is not for one day or 1 week, it may be a couple of days or couple of weeks, but the projected target can be like this. So that is the Bank Nifty trading idea. So the next week we may test these levels 23,000 and 23,000 kind of levels if sustained above 22,000. So for intraday is a different scenario that we will see now in intraday how to trade Nifty and Bank Nifty on Monday. That is Monday is 8th June. So only for 8th June how to trade, that is a different. This whatever the calculations I shown now is for the next week and above. Friends, this is Bank Nifty 15 minutes chart. Exclusively only trade for Monday, that is 8th June. So how to trade? So this is the Friday price movement. If you see, it taken a support in the demand zone and went up, and again second time it took support and rallied. So the important level is this one. So now this area will become decent support on Monday. So for any reason, if the price comes to this area, so 20,800, we can attempt for a buy and keep a stop below here. So this level, so 150 points as a stop loss, and aim for a target. First target is this one. So today closing price, that is a Friday closing price, and the second target is here 21,500. The two targets you can put. The only thing is you have to observe the price movement and then trade. The important levels to be noted down. If the price opens any gap down, I think better avoid that day or wait for half an hour and see the price action and then take a position. So this is the Bank Nifty, and we'll see the Nifty also for the Monday. This is the trade plan for 8th June Nifty. See, this is the supply area, and today it closed in the supply. That is a Friday, it closed in the supply. Monday, how we have to trade? We have to trade the breakout trade. Once the price break out at 180 level, then we can enter and keep a stop loss below 150, 10,150. So the simple thing, entry should be above 180, say here, and keep a stop loss below 150, 150 below, so 145 or kind of levels, and aim for a target of 270. So a simple trade plan, only breakout trade if sustain above 176. So above 180 is the buying, and keeping a stop loss below 10,150, and aim for a target of 10,270. That is the trade plan only for Monday intraday trading Nifty. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please share it to your friends. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you.